In this quick guide, you will learn exactly how to find where Steam game save files inside the user data folder on any PC. I show you guys how to do it. Open up Steam, go to library. For this tutorial, I'm gonna find this Clicker Heroes game save file location. So go to store, search the name of the game, select the game. After you are in the games page, you can able to see a number over here in the top. Remember or write down this number and then right click on the Steam and select open file location. And you just need to scroll up and open the user data folder, random numbers. Now you just need to find the number of the game. As you can see 363970, 363970. This is the game save folder. Open it and this is where all your game progress will be saved. Now I show you guys a backup guide. Before switching to a new PC or before updating the game, just copy this game ID number folder and paste it in another location. We have successfully packed up the file. If something goes wrong, you can easily restore by just by copy and paste it in this location and the game progress will be back. I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.